Mastering politeness in English. Could you clarify? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you communicate more effectively and confidently. Today, we're focusing on a powerful yet polite phrase that can significantly enhance your communication skills. Could you clarify? Understanding how and when to use this phrase will help you navigate conversations more smoothly, especially in situations where you need more information or don't fully understand something. So, let's get started. Could you clarify is a polite request for additional information or explanation. It's used when you're seeking a better understanding of what has been said or written. This phrase is particularly useful because it shows that you are engaged and interested in the conversation, but need a bit more detail to fully grasp the topic. The beauty of this phrase lies in its versatility. It can be used in formal settings, such as meetings or academic discussions, and in casual conversations as well. By using could, you're adopting a softer, more polite tone than if you were to simply say, clarify this. When using could you clarify, it's important to be specific about what you need more information on. This helps the other person understand exactly what to elaborate on, making the conversation more efficient and effective. Here are a few examples to illustrate this. Could you clarify what you mean by immediate action? Could you clarify the steps I need to follow? Could you clarify the deadline for this project? These examples show how adding a specific detail or question after could you clarify makes your request clear and straightforward. While the phrase could you clarify is polite, your tone of voice and body language also play a crucial role in maintaining the politeness of your request. When asking for clarification, ensure your tone is curious and open, not demanding or skeptical. Additionally, maintain open and receptive body language to reinforce your genuine interest in understanding better. We hope this video has clarified, pun intended, how and when to use could you clarify in your conversations? Remember, effective communication is not just about the words you use but also how you use them. By incorporating this phrase into your English vocabulary, you'll be able to navigate discussions more smoothly and show your conversation partners that you're truly engaged in understanding their points. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more tips on improving your English language skills. Happy learning!